What's the meaning of barometric? Barometric. Barometric.
Barometric. Barometric. The word barometric is an adjective that refers to the measurement of atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is the force exerted on a surface by the weight of the air above it, and it can be influenced by weather patterns and other environmental factors. Barometric pressure measurements are commonly used in meteorology to predict changes in weather conditions, such as the likelihood of precipitation or temperature fluctuations. Barometric pressure can also have an impact on human health, as changes in pressure can cause headaches or other discomfort. Overall, barometric is a term that is closely related to weather and environmental monitoring.